Have you ever seen a home that looks like a palace on wheels? The motorhomes of 2025 are not just a way to travel, they're moving dreams. Inside, you'll find a level of luxury you'd expect only in five-star hotels. Advanced technology, king-size beds, private cinemas, and everything you need for a royal lifestyle. If you think motorhomes are just for camping, think again! In this video, you'll witness 5 masterpieces that will completely change the way you see life on the road. Number 1. The Kenworth W900. Motorhome is not just a truck, it's a road-dominating luxury suite on wheels. Built on the iconic and powerful W900 chassis, this beast blends heavy-duty performance with first-class comfort, making it a dream for cross-country travelers and trucking enthusiasts alike. Under the hood, it typically features a Cummins X15 engine that delivers impressive horsepower and torque, giving it the strength to tow with ease and cruise effortlessly over long distances. Step inside, and you'll be greeted by a fully customized living space that feels more like a luxury condo than a mobile home. The spacious interior includes a queen-size bed, full kitchen, leather seating, entertainment system, climate control, and often even a full-size shower and toilet. High-end wood finishes, LED lighting, and smart storage make it both elegant and practical. Its exterior design retains that classic long-nose Kenworth style, but with custom paint jobs, chrome accents, and aerodynamic tweaks that give it a striking road presence. The large side awnings, exterior LED lighting, and storage bays add to its functionality during stops and campsites. Despite its size, the ride quality is smooth thanks to its air ride suspension and well-insulated cab. Whether you're hauling toys, towing a race car trailer, or just touring the country in style, the Kenworth W900 motorhome stands tall among luxury rigs. Reviews often praise its build quality, customization options, and raw power, while also noting that its size can be a challenge in tighter urban areas. But for those who crave adventure without giving up comfort, this motorhome is worth every dollar. It's not just transportation, it's a statement on wheels. Number 2. The Kenworth W1250 motorhome is a true masterpiece of power, comfort, and road presence, built on a heavy-duty platform. This motorhome transforms the raw strength of a commercial truck into a luxurious rolling residence. Designed for those who crave both adventure and elegance, the W1250 is engineered to conquer long journeys while keeping you surrounded by high-end comfort. Under the hood, it boasts a robust engine, often a high performance Cummins or Packard setup, delivering the torque and horsepower needed to haul heavy loads or large trailers with ease. Whether climbing steep grades or cruising down the highway, the W1250 never feels underpowered. It's built to handle the road like a true champion. Inside, the W1250 is nothing short of a luxury suite on wheels. Step in, and you're welcomed by premium leather seating, a fully equipped kitchen with modern appliances, a spacious dining area, and a cozy sleeping space. Many models feature a queen or king-size bed, an entertainment center with surround sound, and even a bathroom with a full-size shower and toilet. The interior design blends functionality with luxury, using high-end finishes, LED lighting, and clever storage solutions. The exterior maintains the bold and iconic look Kenworth is known for, with custom chrome detailing, aerodynamic enhancements, and stylish paint schemes that make it stand out wherever it goes. Large slide-outs expand the living space when parked, and automatic awnings provide shade and comfort during outdoor stops. Driving the W1250 motorhome is surprisingly smooth thanks to advanced air ride suspension and superior cabin insulation. Despite its massive size, it offers excellent visibility and driver ergonomics. Long hours behind the wheel feel less tiring, and the commanding road view makes every drive a pleasure. Owners and reviewers praise the W1250 for its durability, customizability, and luxurious living features. It's perfect for full-time RVers, touring artists, or anyone wanting to hit the open road without leaving the comforts of home behind. The Kenworth W1250 motorhome is not just a vehicle, it's a bold statement of freedom, power, and prestige. Number 3. The Kenworth T2000 motorhome is a bold fusion of commercial-grade performance and high-end luxury living. Originally designed as a long-haul truck, the T2000's aerodynamic body and strong chassis make it the perfect foundation for a custom motorhome, built to travel thousands of miles in total comfort and reliability. With a sleek exterior and spacious interior, it redefines what's possible on the road. Powered by a reliable Cummins or Cat engine, the T2000 motorhome delivers plenty of horsepower and torque to handle heavy towing, mountain roads, and long interstate journeys. Whether you're crossing deserts or climbing through the Rockies, this motorhome pushes forward with confidence and control. Its durable frame ensures long-term dependability, making it a favorite among full-time travelers and RV enthusiasts. Inside, the transformation from workhorse to luxury haven is nothing short of impressive. The living space includes a fully equipped kitchen, soft leather seating, entertainment systems, and generous sleeping arrangements. Many models offer a full-size bed, built-in wardrobes, a bathroom with a shower, and advanced climate control systems. From polished wood cabinetry to LED lighting, every inch is built for both function and elegance. The T2000's cab is driver-focused, with ergonomic seating, a wide windshield for panoramic visibility, and a quiet, insulated ride thanks to smart engineering. Long hours behind the wheel are made easier with modern dash controls and smooth suspension that absorbs road bumps effortlessly. Outside, the motorhome may include large storage compartments, slide-outs for extra interior space, and stylish paint jobs with chrome finishes that keep heads turning at every stop. Awning systems and outdoor lighting extend the comfort beyond the interior, perfect for relaxing evenings at the campsite. Praised for its performance, reliability, and luxury upgrades, the Kenworth T2000 motorhome is ideal for those who want the strength of a semi-truck with the comfort of a high-end RV. It's more than a travel vehicle. It's a mobile lifestyle, designed for those who dream of the open road without compromise. Number 4. The Prevost Luxurio motorhome is the ultimate expression of luxury, power, and craftsmanship on wheels. Built on Prevost's renowned coach chassis, the Luxurio combines the smooth ride of a high-end tour bus with the sophistication of a 5-star hotel suite. Designed for elite travelers, this motorhome delivers unmatched comfort, performance, and elegance on every journey. Underneath its sleek exterior lies a powerful Volvo D13 engine, offering excellent fuel efficiency and over 500 horsepower for effortless cruising across highways and mountains. The ride is whisper quiet thanks to advanced sound insulation and air suspension, ensuring a smooth, vibration-free experience no matter the distance or terrain. Inside, the Luxurio transforms into a private sanctuary. Step through the automatic entry door, and you're greeted by a spacious living area outfitted with Italian leather seating, handcrafted wood cabinetry, marble countertops, and large windows with electronic blinds. The motorhome includes a gourmet kitchen with premium appliances, a formal dining area, and an entertainment center with surround sound and large screen displays. The master bedroom is nothing short of luxury, featuring a king-size bed, smart lighting, climate zones, and walk-in wardrobe space. The bathroom includes a full-size shower, luxury fittings, heated floors, and high-end tile work that rivals upscale apartments. Technology is seamlessly integrated throughout the Luxurio, with touchscreen controls for lighting, temperature, shades, and security. Wi-Fi, satellite TV, and smart home features make it easy to stay connected and entertained while on the road. The exterior is just as stunning, with custom paint finishes, full-body slide-outs for expanded living space, underbody storage bays, and integrated lighting that gives it a dramatic presence at night. Automatic awnings, outdoor entertainment setups, and high-end build quality make outdoor living just as enjoyable. The Prevost Luxurio is not just a motorhome, it's a lifestyle choice for those who demand the very best. It's designed for those who want to travel the world, without leaving behind the comfort, style, and convenience of home. Whether parked at a luxury resort or cruising through national parks, it makes every moment unforgettable. Number 5. The 2025 lineup of luxurious motorhomes takes road travel to an entirely new level, combining cutting-edge technology, premium comfort, and powerful performance. These top-tier RVs are more than just vehicles. They're mobile mansions built for those who want to explore without sacrificing the luxuries of home. Every inch is crafted with precision, offering a blend of elegance and functionality that makes each journey unforgettable. At the heart of these motorhomes are powerful diesel engines, often from Cummins or Volvo, delivering the strength to tackle steep mountain passes or long interstate drives with ease. Air suspension systems, advanced drivetrains, and quiet cabins make the ride incredibly smooth and controlled, even over challenging terrain. Step inside, and you're greeted by interiors that rival five-star hotels. From heated tile floors and crystal lighting to hand-stitched leather seating and solid wood cabinetry, every feature speaks of luxury. The kitchens are fitted with high-end appliances, quartz or granite countertops, and induction cooktops. Living areas include spacious lounges with recliners, smart TVs, electric fireplaces, and high-quality sound systems. The bedrooms in these 2025 models offer king-size beds with memory foam mattresses, mood lighting, and walk-in closets. Bathrooms feature rainfall showers, backlit mirrors, and residential-grade sinks and toilets. Multiple climate zones ensure optimal comfort. Whether you're parked in the desert or high in the mountains, technology plays a major role. With touchscreen control panels, solar integration, energy-efficient power management, and onboard Wi-Fi, slide-outs expand the interior space, while automatic leveling systems and rear-view cameras make setup simple. Exterior features include full-body paint, outdoor kitchens, entertainment systems, and massive storage compartments. Models from brands like Prevost, Newmar, and Integra push the limits of design, offering customization options to suit your lifestyle. These motorhomes are built not just to travel, but to live in full time, with unmatched durability and comfort. The 2025 luxury motorhomes aren't just about the destination. They make the journey itself a first-class experience. For those who dream of freedom without compromise, these rolling palaces are the ultimate way to live and travel. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Honest Auto. Wheels for more exciting auto reviews and updates every week.